Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the most frequently asked entry question, that is, what is the difference between SDLC and SDLC. So this question you will expect from for manual tester as well as automation tester in technical round. So let me define what is SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It defines all the standard phases which are involved during the software development process. SDLC lifecycle is a process of developing software through a phased manner in the order. The order is like first phase is requirements gathering, second phase is design the software, third one build the software, fourth test, and fifth phase is deployment, and sixth one is maintenance. And each stage has a definite entry and exit criteria along with deliverables. Then what is STLC? STLC stands for Software Testing Lifecycle. It is a testing process that is executed in a well-planned manner. In the SDLC process, various activities are carried out to improve the quality of the product. However, SDLC phases only deal with the testing and detecting errors, but not development. So the software testing lifecycle has different stages are there, so like requirement analysis, test planning, test development, test environment setup, test execution and closure. Okay. Now let us see the main differences between SDLC and STLC. The main objective of SDLC is to complete successful development of the software, including testing and other phases. Whereas the main objective of SDLC is only for purpose of testing phase only. In SDLC, the business analyst gathers the requirements and create a development plan. Whereas in SDLC, the QA team analyze requirements functional and non-functional documents and create a system test plan. In SDLC, the development team creates the high and low level design plan. In SDLC, the test analyst creates the integration test plan. In SDLC, the real code is developed and actual work takes place as per the design documents. In the SDLC, the testing team prepares the test environment and execute them. In SDLC phase also includes post deployment and supports and updates. In SDLC, testers execute regression suits, usually automation scripts to check the maintenance code deployed. So these are the main differences between SDLC and STLC. So what is the main feature of SDLC? The main feature of software development lifecycle is the project can be completed step by step before another project begins. Project units are distinct and easily identifiable. The project can be designed so that the pieces should be sourced. Then what are the features of SDLC? SDLC analyze system requirements collected from clients and stakeholders. And SDLC helps you to create a traceability matrix, and we can identify the testing techniques and testing types. And also you can analyze the automation feasibility with SDLC. So that's guys the main difference between SDLC and SDLC. I hope you understand. So thank you for watching.